Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to easily utilize perspective in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have this image over here, and the first thing we'll be doing is to right click here and then select the line tool. We'll be drawing two lines. Now left click and hold and then draw a line like this. Then place your mouse cursor here, left click and hold and then draw another line like this. So I think something like this is okay for me. Nice. So once you are done drawing your lines, select the background image and then let's zoom in. Right click here and select the object selection tool. Now just left click and hold and then draw around the vehicle and its shadow. Oh no, hold on, I'm coming. So go around the vehicle and its shadow to make a selection of it, something like this. And let's wait for the shortening. Nice. Okay, so now we have our selection ready. So what we do is we press, if you're on Mac it's Command J, but then if you're on Windows it's Control J. So press Command J or Control J to duplicate it. Now press Command T or Control T, and you see this anchor point. Left click and hold and then drag and place it at the point where these two lines meet. So this is okay. Then just hold down your Alt key and then try and reduce the size. So you have something like this. Press Command J or Control J to duplicate it, and press Command T. Let's push it down. So this one to push the anchor point and then just place it here. Then hold down your Alt key again. Reduce, and then reduce size. Nice. Press Command J again, and then press Control T. Push the anchor point here. Then hold down your Alt or Option key, then just reduce the size. So when you are done, you can turn off the visibility of these two lines, and then you can see that we've been able to duplicate this vehicle in a perspective way. Okay guys, so this is how to easily utilize the perspective in Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.